The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar basically is major areas of strength for truly. Basically is genuinely critical. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 56 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo really is drifting at $2,292,041, which for the most part is very critical. Nexo really acquired roughly 1.18% inside the most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. 14 September 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, sought clarification on some things, facts. What explicitly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Nexo? For the most part is Nexo an excellent interest in a by and large significant manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth really in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a fundamentally huge manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,907,408,331 in an unpretentious manner. The by and large absolute exchanging volume remains at $27,882,883,474, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely huge, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in a very significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period, really in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a huge way. These occasions fundamentally show that the market basically is going in an especially descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting that Nexo sort of acquired roughly 1.18% inside the most recent 24 hours, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a sort of broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that however prior to jumping profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the very current economic situations, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to essentially recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64%. Inside a similar time period in a really significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers especially become commonly more genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition is a level at which vendors sort of move genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The especially current Nexo cost truly is 56 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,292,041 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. Presently, Nexo for the most part is up by 1.18% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $315,208,216 United States dollars, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents, in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 14 September 2023. Inside a fundamentally everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo for the most part is drifting at $2,292,041, which basically is very huge. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, too for the most part. Examine the future development of the Nexo, showing how Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. The Nexo in a real sense has truly break all its sort of supports levels, and things by and large are not looking great for the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. As of now, for the most part bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Nexo cost underneath the urgent help level of 82 cents, kind of additional appearance. How the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar for the most part is truly in every way that really matters, solid in an unobtrusive way. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and in a real sense is attempting to in every practical sense break out of the lack of bias zone, which in every way that really matters, shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period in a significant manner, while Nexo's Williams %R marker really is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signaled basically is genuinely conceivable at this reach. So Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 14 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo basically is drifting at $2,292,041, which especially is genuinely huge. The MACD line generally is remaining above of the buy and large sign line after a very certain hybrid, exhibiting that RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44, and basically is attempting to explicitly break out of the lack of bias zone, which basically shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span,